This new feature 2024 tutorial video will teach you how to use macro and micro tasks. One of the most significant features of Fuzor for 4D is the ability to create micro tasks from a micro schedule. Macro tasks are tasks from the imported schedules such as Primavera P6, Microsoft Project, or Asta Power Project. They are high-level scheduled tasks that describe what and when the task occurred during construction. On the other hand, microtasks are Fuzor-created tasks. They are low-level construction tasks created by Fuzor that describe how and where the tasks occur during construction. The microtask system feature benefits VDC or IDD teams to deliver detailed construction methodology embedded in the traditional macro schedule. The construction methodology can be illustrated by detailed animations with a start and end date tied to the macro schedule. Therefore, the construction schedule can be simulated over the course of the given schedule to identify potential issues and conflicts. In Fuzor 2024, you can now see the difference between macro and micro tasks more clearly. This will help your team understand the schedule and improve communication. The first objective is to add a macro task for the wall task, and second objective is to add micro tasks such as an equipment task. So here in the 4D simulation, on the lower right, you will see that you can now select macro or micro tasks and select which one you can edit. For the first objective, let's add a macro task for the wall task. Here, select macro, and notice that the calendar turns from gray to black, which means we can edit. Now click Create a new task, rename it to Wall, and to change the duration here, press Tab. For example, 10 days, then click Enter. It will then go to the next task, so if you want to disregard it, press Escape. Click this calendar icon to change the start date to March 13, 2021. And the end date will adjust based on the 10 days duration. Second objective is to add a micro task such as an equipment task. So here, make sure micro task is selected. Select this task as we want to add an equipment task under it. Here, create a new equipment task. Rename it as Crane. So notice that the equipment task is automatically linked to the construction task and we don't need to set a predecessor. You will notice that their start date is already the same. So if the schedule updates in the future, the start date will update automatically with the construction task. So your workflow is now much easier and clearer. Thank you for watching the video.